All right, we are off for Chattanooga Charge, meeting up with a couple buddies at the South County Supercharger. So we got a long day ahead of us today. So I will be rolling some video from time to time of the trip, documenting the Chattanooga Charge over the weekend. So thanks for watching Total Tesla. And yeah, we're gonna test full self-driving. This is version 13.2.8 still, and 13,520 on the odometer. So yep, it's gonna be a great trip. Anyway, I will document as much as possible and come back and share it with you. All right, thanks for watching Total Tesla. We'll be back later. All right, so our first stop is the meetup here at the Tesla Supercharger in Melville, South County Mall. I'm not charging here though. I'm at 93%. That's fine. You know, surprisingly, so my car is almost 2 years old this summer. And now I know they adjusted the rated range now, but today at 100%, my range on the Tesla Model Y Performance is 280 miles. And I believe a new Model Y, previous Juniper, was 280 miles. Or I'm sorry, 278 miles. Now, I know I think when I first got the car, it was like 302, but so I guess you could say it's gone down. We're going the wrong way. Supercharger's over here. All right, well, my first disengagement to the Supercharger. All right, I want to back in here. Anyway, so yeah, I mean, I've lost 22 miles if you go by that stat, but I'm still +2 if you go by the updated range. All right, we'll be back. Thanks again for watching Total Tesla. All right, we are off from the Supercharger. Got our Chattanooga Charge, basically our trip meter here. All right. We need to be unsupervised. It's a low, whoa. That was a low steep grade there. All right, so we're leaving at 10:19. FSD is calculated for all three cars. First stop, Convoy. Hope I pronounced that right. Anyway, so welcome back to Total Tesla, on to Chattanooga Charge, and we're on the road finally. I wish I could take a nap. All right, we'll talk to you later, and we'll bring you more as we head down. All right, downtown St. Louis, and we are heading over the bridge into Illinois. Friday morning traffic. Had some construction. The car had to move over to the far right lane because the lane was blocked, and the car did it automatically. No problems. Thought I would have to maybe take over, but no, car did everything great. And I got the sunshine right in my eyes. FSD handled that. And here we go. Over the mighty Mississippi. Trailer wants to get into my lane, and my car goes around. Oh, wants to get over again. Car handles everything great. All right, goodbye, St. Louis. Man, look at the traffic is a freaking mess. Man, oh man. Not on this side of the river. Are you guys in range?
What was that?
Oh. I said, are you guys in range? My speed setting set at 70. I'm going 67. Do I need to slow down? Looks like they're a little bit of a ways behind me. The sun is right in your eyes. Need to get over, I guess. There we go. Slow it down a little bit so maybe they can catch up. All right, so we're trying to decide if we're gonna stop at another supercharger in Marion. So we're dealing with two performance Model Ys and a new Model 3. So that Model 3 has a lot more range. So we may stop off at Marion, which is, I mean, I don't have to, but I think they just want to get some extra juice. So we'll see what happens. All right, so we're gonna stop the video here, and we'll be back. All right. So I was in the front for a while, and now I got the other two guys. Anthony's in front of me. And now we set our speed correctly, so we're at 70 miles an hour. And we're all in standard mode. So we should be in, there needs to be convoy mode. We need convoy mode. Because then the cars are all synced. That's what we need. And then also what I love is if we do get like behind, we can see each other on the map. We know where everybody's at. Now we do have the radios, but it would be great if you would know exactly where everybody's at. Anyway, that's what we need. Make it happen, Elon. All right, that's enough for right now. We'll be back shortly. All right. So what we did, instead of waiting like 3 hours to go to the bathroom, we added the Marion supercharger at our next stop. Oh my God. Okay. So we'll be there at 9:09 to supercharge, and we just got to be there just enough to go to the bathroom. We're not going to stay there that long at all. So yeah, everything's going well. All right, we'll be back. Thanks for watching. Total Tesla. All right, so the guy in front of me is Iowa Tesla guy, and so he's pretty big in the Tesla community. So we got obviously our 3 cars, and then and then Iowa Tesla guy Jim. So we're all headed to Chattanooga. I wonder if he's going to stop at Marion. Maybe, we'll see. But yeah, I had my first case of autopilot jail. So I got 1 strike. Messing around with the screen.
Actually, he's also going to the same supercharger.
I mean, I hope he's going to Marion. That would be great. All right, so we'll see where he ends up. Eventually, we're going to be in the same place. But it'll be nice to catch him at the next supercharger stop. All right, we'll be back. More later. Thanks for watching Total Tesla. And the Iowa Tesla guy. All right, so we're back here and stopping off at the Marion supercharger. Iowa Tesla guy took a different route, so we'll see if Jim is maybe still going this way or not. But he did post on social media on X that the convoy has begun. It's just too bad we split off. And yeah, so now we're going to supercharge. It's not going to be that long at all. Let's see here. We got to make a right. Current temperature is 72 degrees. It's nice. Beautiful day. And here's our 250 kilowatt supercharger. I don't see an Iowa Tesla guy. Let's see here if it's gonna pull in and back in. That would be nice. Well, that's not a supercharger. So I'm gonna have to pull in myself because it didn't find a supercharger. Fail. And with this being 250 watt, it's courteous still to spread out. But we'll get your full maximum charge while you're here. All right, so we'll be back in a bit. Thanks again for watching Total Tesla.